Tonight I will show you how to make buckwheat sprouts. So you take some buckwheat. So you take some buckwheat, a good amount. This is gonna be for 3 people. And from these sprouts I'll make all kinds of things, from salads to dinner. Like instead of rice, I'll eat the buckwheat sprouts with seasoning and oil. You can put it in your desserts, in your smoothies, in your sauces. You can make pancakes from it. You can just do so many things, and you'll find different kinds of recipes on my YouTube channel on what can you make from these buckwheat sprouts. But today I'll show you how to make the sprouts itself. So you take this, pour some water. This is filtered water. Wash the buckwheat from any kind of dust, particles. There's like foam inside. The water is a bit white. Pour the water out. And I'm gonna put the buckwheat back in. And only take the water out. You can do it a few times, as many times as you will feel satisfied that it's clean. I'll do it 2 times. And you can put some nice magic from your hands. Give it nice intention. Give it some love vibe. So now we have the washed sprouts, but these sprouts, they will soak in the water. They will get bigger. So we'll put some more water because it's not enough for them to grow and to soak in the water. So we put water about to the level of the buckwheat, so you can see that the buckwheats are covered. So you can see these buckwheats are covered with water. And tomorrow in the morning you'll see that the water is gone because they will grow and soak in all this water. And maybe if you're lucky, you'll even start to see little tails by the morning or by the end of the next day. And we'll take a plate and cover it with a plate so no dust comes in, or little animals if you're living in the countryside. So this is the 3rd day. On Wednesday night we started. The 2nd day I just stirred these sprouts like this in the morning and before going to bed. So we had Wednesday, Thursday, and this is Friday, and I'm stirring them again in the morning and in the evening, just like this, just so that the moisture can be spread evenly. See, little tails. This is day 3rd, right? Little tails. You can already eat them on the next day of soaking them in the water. And usually by the 3rd day would be a good idea to eat them because often they go off. So I keep them in the fridge now that they've sprouted so much. And if I don't manage to eat them all at once in my salad, then I will make some pancakes from them, or pizza, or bread, or cookies. Oh no.
Das ist sexy.